Good morning, Notice TV. Welcome back, baby. So this is the OTT. So I don't know which shirts to go with. The ones from yesterday. Oh, the black one. What is it giving? I think I'm gonna go with the black one. Because I wore these yesterday. So let's give each baby a chance, right? You're disturbing me. So here we are leaving Leidenberg. I'm doing a voiceover at this point because we were listening to music and I don't want to be copyrighted. Go YouTube. And please mind me, I have flu. Anyways, this part, I loved the mountain view. We were on our way to our first stop, which is the 3 rounder what, something like that. So, yeah, we were on our way. And here, guys, I was showing you my thighs. They were burning, yo. Okay, hi, guys. This is our first stop or whatever.
Who is even Portia?
Portia is Auntie Cecil.
That's your nickname.
Don't you know her second name?
No one told me. No one told me.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, so we're gonna take a few pictures and then yeah, I don't know where we are, but it's those here we had arrived at the 3 ronda what, and then these are the prices. Again, muted the sound because we were listening to music, and I wanted you guys to hear what my brother was saying. Yo, my brother is a crack, bruh. Yo, this guy is so funny. He's so funny. So he was busy telling my little nephew that he must say he is 5 years old. Mind you, that guy is turning 8. He was only saying that so that we only pay for 4 people, not 5, right? So yeah, and telling them to pose properly because those boys are a handful here, and we have arrived at the point where we're gonna pay. And this is the point where they asked us how many are we in the car. Guys, I wanted to laugh so bad when he said Sasa is 5 years, but that's whatever. And yeah, we paid and arrived.
Hey, but I have like I'm afraid of heights.
You're afraid of heights?
Yep.
No, I'm not. When you stand here.
So one thing, yo. I want you. Tell me.
Hey, go. I'm 100 years I'm taller than all of you.
Yo, I wasn't filming. Hey guys, somewhere there. It's like 3 rendezvous. So we walk into another site, I think.
Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful. Like, it is up already. pretty.
So it reads the area at the end or mouth of the Glide River Canyon is named.
Yo guys, get chat. Like, I am sweating. It is hot like lava. Yo. Barty, welcome to Boca's Luck Potholes. Stay tuned. Long walk to the freedom, guys.
To get there, it's about 15 minutes. Ooh, gotta go. There's a bridge that side.
Somebody drop the phone. Drop it. Drop the phone.
Guys, I am so hesitant. I just wanna put my phone. Yo, then when I move. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
We're chilling with the engine.
Hi.
Would you say hi?
Wait, guys. I got to like me. Hi, guys. How are you?
Right hand Lamuna because you're gonna slip and fall. It's slippery.
What about that? Yeah.
Just touch the phone.
Did you watch Lamuna?
You want a photo, man?
Yeah, and it is.
Hey guys,
And this part we're just vibing with the family, some good music, good stuff, and yeah, good vibes.
Whether ke Nikon or ke eng, but they are DSLR.
So guys, we were here.
Was ziplining in the big swing, but
Yeah.
apparently they're not working.
They're not working today. So we are bad luck. Zip lining and the big swing, they're not working today, so there's no points. There's no points. I'm so disappointed because I honestly wanted to do zip lining. Like, guys.
the Great Wall of China.
So, guys, it's so disappointing, but it is what it is.
Oh, that's over the lens fence. That's shiny.
Oh, what are more?
For the
If you want me to start to change the color, then more. Put it down.
Hey,
Yeah.
you forgot about your people, eh?
Nah, I didn't. Yeah, guys. Yo, umuntu ukhathele, bruh. Like, khathele. Pause. You. Some water for vibe. Yeah. Bye. Love you.
The whole football.
How do you feel, Portia?
I feel blessed.
Mm-hmm.
I feel beautiful. I feel scrumptious.
Scramdilla yum.
Yabo.
Mhm.
Burr.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know the vibes. Pretty
Yeah.
girls, wow.
Period. The
Bye.
NGOs with it.
Hi, my beautiful people. So I forgot to close yesterday's vlog because we got home very late, and I was tired. When I tell you we walked, guys. Oh, every stop we made to go view the waterfalls, the portals, everything, we had to walk. Like, you park at a distance and then you walk. The furthest one was the potholes, and the most difficult part was going back up because it was steep. So going down was pretty easy, but it took us like 15 minutes to get there, and then going back was the most difficult part because already you are tired, but you have to go up. And guys, it was steep. When I tell you, it was steep. But then after Our last stop was the waterfall. After that, we went to Umbombela, ate, went to Fun Company. It was a lot of fun. We played games, bowling, all that, and then we came back home, continued the fun, and yeah. But hope you guys enjoyed. Mpumalanga is such a beautiful province, guys. Yo, it was we also wanted to go to God's Window, but every place was so full. Apparently there were tourists, there were British people, there were Chinese guys. It was packed and there were a lot of people. So yeah. But hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Bye.